Trenton, listen to Mimi. What happened to Olivia?
Jacob cried.
What, Trenton?
Jacob cried.
Why did he cry? Jacob?
Jacob wasn't even.
Excuse you.
Duh.
Don't. What happened to why did she cry? What did that man say? Scoot back. You're too close.
That means say, get your ass in the house.
He said what?
Get her ace in the house.
Get her ace in the house?
Uh-huh.
Why did he say that?
The man.
Ross Tech.
Say man, that's crazy. What are you doing, Trenton?
Could you run the good?
Say hi, Nikki.
I'm not Nikki.
No, say hi to her on the camera. Say hi, Nikki. Tell her hi. Tell her hi. Say hi, Nikki. Trenton! Say hi, Nikki.
No.
You didn't get her note?
No.
What'd you do with that note I gave you from Nikki?
Mama has it.
Oh. Did she put it in the book or something?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
What'd she do with it, Trenton?
Just threw it away.
Oh, you're on the camera and you said threw it away?
Uh-huh.
No.
Mama did not throw it away. She put it in a book.
What are you drinking?
Mountain Dew.
No, say ski.
No.
Say ski.
It's Mountain Dew.
Say peace out.
Peace out.